Most people do not lose money from one huge mistake. They lose it through small daily habits that feel harmless. Here are 100 expensive everyday mistakes that quietly waste your money. Subscription mistakes. 1. Keeping subscriptions you barely use can quietly drain your money every single month. 2. Free trials become expensive when you forget to cancel before the renewal date. 3. Paying for multiple streaming apps often costs more than people realize. 4. Annual plans can waste money when you stop using the service after 2 months. 5. App subscriptions feel cheap because they are usually charged in small monthly amounts. 6. Family plans save money only when everyone actually uses the account regularly. 7. Cloud storage upgrades can become unnecessary when old files are never deleted. 8. Gym memberships waste money when people pay monthly but rarely show up. 9. Premium app features often sound useful but stay unused after the first week. 10. Ignoring renewal emails can make you miss price increases before they charge you. Now let's move to shopping habits that make people spend more without noticing. 11. Buying only because something is on sale can still waste money. 12. Discount tags can make expensive items feel cheaper than they really are. 13. Buying in bulk saves money only when you use everything before it expires. 14. Choosing the cheapest product can cost more if it breaks quickly. 15. Shopping without a list makes impulse buying much easier. 16. Stores place expensive items at eye level because people grab what they see first. 17. Buying extra items to get free shipping can cost more than the delivery fee. 18. Limited time offers create pressure even when the product is not needed. 19. Buying trendy items often wastes money once the trend disappears. 20. Ignoring price comparisons can make you overpay for the exact same product. The next section is about food mistakes that quietly increase daily spending. 21. Ordering delivery too often can cost far more than cooking at home. 22. Small delivery fees become expensive when they happen several times a week. 23. Buying groceries while hungry often leads to unnecessary snacks and extras. 24. Throwing away expired food is the same as throwing away money. 25. Buying fresh produce without a meal plan often leads to waste. 26. Pre-cut fruits and vegetables usually cost more than preparing them yourself. 27. Buying bottled drinks daily adds up faster than most people expect. 28. Ignoring unit prices can make smaller packages look cheaper than they are. 29. Eating out for convenience becomes expensive when it turns into a habit. 30. Buying coffee every day can quietly become a major monthly expense. Now let's look at home habits that slowly increase your bills. 31. Leaving lights on in empty rooms slowly adds to your electricity bill. 32. Keeping old appliances running can use more energy than newer efficient models. 33. Leaving chargers plugged in all day can still use small amounts of power. 34. Running half-empty washing machines wastes water, electricity, and detergent. 35. Using too much detergent can damage clothes and waste money. 36. Setting the air conditioner too low can increase bills very quickly. 37. Poor window sealing can make heating and cooling less efficient. 38. Leaving the fridge door open makes the appliance work harder. 39. Ignoring small water leaks can become expensive over time. 40. Buying cheap furniture can cost more when it needs replacing quickly. The next mistakes are about phones, gadgets, and everyday tech. 41. Buying a new phone too often can waste money while the old one still works. 42. Cheap chargers can damage batteries faster than reliable certified chargers. 43. Ignoring software updates can cause performance and security problems later. 44. Paying for extra storage while keeping duplicate photos wastes money. 45. Replacing gadgets instead of repairing small problems can cost much more. 46. Buying extended warranties without reading the terms can be unnecessary. 47. Upgrading devices for small features often brings little real value. 48. Not using a phone case can turn one drop into an expensive repair. 49. Leaving apps running with background data can increase battery and data usage. 50. Buying tech accessories because they look cool often leads to unused clutter. Now let's move to car and transportation mistakes that cost more than expected. 51. Ignoring tire pressure can increase fuel use and wear tires faster. 52. Delaying oil changes can turn basic maintenance into expensive engine problems. 53. Driving aggressively burns more fuel and wears parts faster. 54. Keeping unnecessary weight in your car can slightly increase fuel consumption. 55. Skipping regular maintenance often leads to bigger repair bills later. 56. Parking in paid areas without checking signs can create unavoidable fines. 57. Using premium fuel when your car does not require it wastes money. 58. Ignoring small dashboard warnings can lead to expensive repairs. 59. Short car trips can cost more than walking when fuel and wear are included. 60. Not comparing insurance prices can make you overpay for similar coverage. The next section is about banking and payment habits many people overlook. 61. Paying late fees is one of the easiest ways to waste money. 62. Forgetting due dates can damage your budget and create extra charges. 63. Using out-of-network ATMs can add unnecessary fees. 64. Ignoring bank fees can slowly reduce your balance every month. 65. Paying only the minimum on debt can make interest last much longer. 66. Buying with credit feels easier because the money does not leave immediately. 67. Ignoring exchange rates can make international purchases more expensive. 68. Not checking receipts can make small overcharges go unnoticed. 69. Saving card details online can make impulse purchases faster and easier. 70. Forgetting automatic payments can lead to surprise withdrawals. Now let's look at clothing and personal item mistakes. 71. Buying clothes for one occasion often leads to items you never wear again. 72. Fast fashion can cost more when clothes wear out quickly. 73. Washing clothes incorrectly can shrink, fade, or damage them faster. 74. Buying shoes only for appearance can lead to replacing them sooner. 75. Ignoring care labels can shorten the life of expensive clothing. 76. Buying too many similar items creates clutter and wasted money. 77. Cheap bags and wallets can wear out faster than better quality basics. 78. Buying seasonal items too late often means paying higher prices. 79. Not repairing small clothing damage can make items unusable sooner. 80. Shopping because of boredom often leads to purchases you regret later. The next mistakes are about time, productivity, and daily routines. 81. Wasting time looking for lost items can also waste money indirectly. 82. Disorganized bills make it easier to miss payments and deadlines. 83. Buying planners and tools without using them becomes another wasted purchase. 84. Waiting until the last minute can make travel, gifts, and repairs more expensive. 85. Ignoring small problems usually makes them cost more later. 86. Not setting reminders can lead to missed renewals, deadlines, and fees. 87. Buying convenience too often can quietly replace cheaper, simple habits. 88. Not learning basic repairs can make you pay for simple fixes. 89. Keeping unused items instead of selling them leaves money sitting in storage. 90. Poor planning often turns cheap tasks into urgent, expensive problems. Finally, let's finish with mindset mistakes that quietly control spending. 91. Thinking small purchases do not matter makes daily spending harder to notice. 92. Buying to impress others can waste money on things you barely value. 93. Confusing wants with needs can make every purchase feel necessary. 94. Ignoring your spending habits makes it harder to see where money disappears. 95. Comparing your lifestyle to others can push you into unnecessary spending. 96. Buying because you feel stressed can turn emotions into expenses. 97. Keeping unused items because they were expensive does not bring the money back. 98. Not checking your monthly spending makes small leaks continue for years. 99. Choosing convenience every time can slowly become a very expensive habit. 100. The biggest money mistake is ignoring small habits because they seem harmless. Most everyday money waste does not feel serious in the moment, But when small habits repeat every day, they can quietly become expensive. Fixing even a few of these mistakes can make your money last longer. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.